Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. It's Tiffany or Texture Love. I'm going to show you how I wash and deep condition my hair using Dollar Curl Club products. So I have already shampooed my hair with the Hydrating Gentle Cleanse shampoo from Dollar Curl Club. It is free of all the things that us curly girls do not want, including silicones, parabens, and sulfates. And this is what my hair looks like after I have washed it with the Dollar Curl Club shampoo. It's super soft, full of bounce and shine, and my curls are super clean and super happy. I just want to show you the consistency of the shampoo. It is a very creamy and light formula. You guys know that I double condition, so after I shampooed my hair with the Dollar Curl Club Gentle Cleanse shampoo, I used my favorite rinse out conditioner, and then I'm going to be using my hair tea as well because I'm going to tea rinse. So for those of you that are new to my channel, I believe in tea rinsing. I use herbal tea, like my high maintenance hair tea, to saturate my hair, and then I usually add my rinse out conditioner. I usually use the Tresemme rinse out conditioner like I'm doing right now. The purpose of tea rinsing, it really helps to thicken my hair, to decrease shedding a lot, and it strengthens my roots. And I love to double condition. Check the cards up above and the description box. You'll see why I double condition, but it really helps my high porosity hair hold on to moisture. I will detangle my hair, and so now I've rinsed everything out, the tea and the rinse out conditioner. My hair is super soft, and I'm getting ready to deep condition with the Dollar Curl Club Deep Conditioner. This deep conditioner went on just like butter. As you can see, I'm just sectioning off my hair, making sure that I get my roots, my edges, and my ends. You want to make sure that you thoroughly coat your hair with deep conditioner so that it can penetrate your hair and have an effect. And look at how the deep conditioner is just sliding right through my strands. It has a lot of slip. So I'm going to section up my hair and just apply the deep conditioner in sections. This is a really creamy formula. Like I said, it went onto my hair like butter. My hair really did enjoy this. It does not have an overpowering smell. It has coconut and aloe in it. So very beneficial for the hair. My high porosity hair loves aloe. As you see, I'm just gonna get my roots, my edges, everything. Make sure that it's saturated. This deep conditioner was extremely moisturizing. It does have a little bit of hydrolyzed protein in there, but not too much. I definitely recommend this if you want something that's going to hydrate and moisturize your hair, because this did a great job. I have medium fine strands, and this was not too thick, it was not too heavy, and it wasn't too thin. It was a great consistency. So this is my first time trying Dollar Curl Club products, and I'm very impressed. I got these products on Depop. I didn't actually get them from the Dollar Curl Club website. I got them brand new on Depop, but I will leave the link for Dollar Curl Club in the description box, as well as the descriptions of everything I'm using in this video. So I just go section by section and add the deep conditioner. When you guys deep condition, make sure that you are focusing on your ends. Of course, that's the oldest part, but also make sure that you're finger combing or using a detangling tool to just evenly distribute the deep conditioner throughout your strands. The whole purpose of deep conditioner is to really absorb into your hair and to fill in damaged spots. So now that I've gotten all my sections done, I'm just gonna put my hair up. I'm gonna deep condition with heat using my Paidana thermal cap. You can also check the description box for that. After 45 minutes, I rinsed everything out, and look at my hair, you guys. This shampoo and deep conditioner did an awesome job. I have bounce, I have movement. Look at how juicy and clumped my curls are. This is naked hair. So don't forget to check the description box for Dollar Curl Club links for the repairing mask and the Gentle Cleanse hydrating shampoo. I loved these. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you in my next one.